He was telling me someone came.
E170 coming in from Boston. Is that Delta? Oh, that's Delta, yeah. Here he goes, guys. Whoa, that was butter. Operated by Republic Airways. Yes, they are cute. That was butter. All right, here we go. 739 going to Atlanta. Trying to get my thing set up here, guys. Give me a second. There we go. 739 going back to Atlanta. I thought we had another one taxiing. Where's that at American? Is it still at the gate? Yeah, it's still down there. Hasn't taxied yet. Bradley, thank you for the heart puff. Because it's a pilot for Delta out of Atlanta. Nice. Thank you, Bradley. Appreciate you. There he goes. Good evening, guys. Good evening. It is 4:49 in the afternoon. Cleveland Hopkins Airport, Delta Airlines 739 going to Atlanta. Going back to Atlanta, we have back-to-back 739s. One from Atlanta. This one's going back. Returning the favor. So we have one taxiing right now, guys. Let me know what that is. Tito Mendez, we're at Hopkins Airport in Cleveland. There's one right here. Somewhere around here. Where is he? There he is. See the fin. Trying to hide that fin from us.